Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that why English learning is important for girls and what benefit girls can get after learning English language. Because you know that girls are not allowed to get job in some communities. In most of the countries girls are allowed to get a job, but there are some countries where girls are not allowed to go out and get a job, and they will have to remain at home. How can they earn while staying at home with the power of English language? If they know the English language, they can share their talent through social media to the world. And you know that some girls know the consignment work, and they can share their consignment work through social media. In this way they can get online orders, and they can earn some livelihood for their household. Some girls are good in making the foods, different types of foods, kitchen work, you know, and they can share their kitchen work with the world on social media. And they can also make a channel on social media where they can put or upload videos in English language. And because you know that English is the vast language, if you know the national language, that language is limited to your area, and if you know the English language, you can expand your talent to the world. Your talent will reach to a lot of countries all over the world. So I think learning English is a must, and even you can teach students online through online system if you know the English language, because right now the system has changed. The world has become the global village, and while staying at home you can teach the students the English language, the English subject through online system. There are a lot of system, and you can make some kind of videos in English language. Then you can share your experience, your expertise, where there you are expert in. Some people are expert in something, some are something different kind of expertise. Each and every person has. And in this way I think that English is very necessary. If you want to get some kind of knowledge, you will find lot of stuff uploaded in English language. With the help of those stuff you can learn other things. You can improve your talent where there you are interested in, and you are facing some problems, then you can search things on social media and improve yourself. And after improving yourself, you can show your talent to the world. In this way you will stay at home, and you will do your work and earn money in return. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and before leaving please subscribe to this channel so you never miss our other videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.